Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first let me say that I've been a little under the weather, so my voice is still a little hoarse. I won't talk as much in this video, so some parts you'll just have to read until I get better, okay? So, I found these jars again at Dollar Tree, and you guys know I love these jars. They are really huge. You can see it in my hand how big it is. So what I want to do is glam these up. I'm going to use the same materials, but I'm going to decorate each jar different. And I'm going to do these to go in the bathroom, but you guys can decorate yours to go wherever you want. But again, these will go in the bathroom. Okay? So when they come with the plastic over the lid to keep it from getting scratched. And I like that. These are some really good jars for $1.25. Okay? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the lids. And then I'm going to take these and remove the labels and clean each jar, and then I'll come back and go on with the DIY. I forgot to show you the SKU. I'll leave it in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and decorate jar number 1. I'm going to use one of my favorite things, mirror towels. So what I'm going to do is wrap some mirror towel all the way around. I want to determine how thick I want it to be. This is 8 rows. There's a line on each side. I'm going to start at that line. Now there's always a thin row of mirror towel. I'll use a thin row to fill in that open space. So now I'm going to use some of this bling to put above and below the mirror towel. Okay, so I'm done cutting this bling. So I'm going to start here. This is considered the back. Now I'll do the same thing below this and then come back. So now I'll add this bling to the lid. So just go all the way around and make sure that you have a really good connection with the lid. So let's put this on here and see what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? Now that's a look in itself if you want it to be, but I want to make this a little bit more glam. Here I have this beautiful crystal knob, and I think it'll look really cute right on top. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on the top. Okay, I'll put that aside. I also want to elevate this. I have some other crystal knobs, but because of the way that it's made on the bottom, it's really hard to glue these on evenly. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use one of these versatile candle holders that I found at Goodwill. And when I see things like this, I always grab them, just because I know they'll come in handy. So this one I've already cleaned, and it's perfect to go right in the center. So I'm going to let this sit for a while, but I'm going to come back periodically and check it to make sure that it's still in the center. Okay, so moving on to my second jar. Here I have more mirror towel and more of the sticky bling. So what I'm going to do now is cut 6 rows of the mirror towel. And again, I'm going to put it right in the center of the jar. And just like before, I'm going to put this above it and some below it. Okay, so now we have this. Alright, for this lid, I want to add mirror tiles to it. Now with this particular jar, I'm going to add a brooch. And this is from TotallyDazzled.com. I'm going to lay this here and put this right on here. So now I know where to put my glue. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right here. Wherever I feel like it's going to touch the glass. Now I'll take some hot glue and put it right in the center. Now I'll hold this in place until the hot glue sets up. So now we have this jar. And do we want to add a decorative knob to this one as well? We can add this knob. That's a little bit different. Like I said, I want all three jars to be different. And I do like the way that looks. So yeah, let's go ahead and glue this on top. Now with this particular jar, I want to put a label in the center. And I'm going to lay it right in the center. And I cut an additional piece and I want to put it right on top. Now I want to take some mirror towel and trim around the label. Okay, I'm done adding the bling to the lid. Now I have this knob and I'm going to glue this right in the center. But I've decided I'm going to use this lid with this jar instead.